Hi. I told you I was going to show you my babies, and here they are. I can't keep up with them. They're flying all over the cage. But I can't let them out because they haven't clipped their wings yet, and they might not come back. There they are. There's one of them. Where's the other one at now? Oh, there he is. Yeah. One of them is white as snow, and the other one has a purple belly. Yeah, so pretty babies. Yes, you are so pretty. See, they just flying, messing around in a cage. I am so happy to have birds back in my life. I had some cockatiels and some lovebirds and a few more. I had uh, that little Lucy. She says, and I had one named Cody and Lucy, and Lucy would say, "Cody, I'm Mama's baby girl. Cody, I'm Mama's baby girl." And now I'm gonna have to do a lot of work with these because they won't let me touch them without. And they, when I open the cage door, they're gone up there. Yeah, that's Mama's baby. See, I can whistle too. Yeah, Mama can whistle too. They just flying all over the place. When I first got them, I had to go get them some toys to go in the cage. Those two bells they had in there were old. But I'm going to get these tamed for long. Yeah, it takes time. And they're the sweetest things. Just look at them. They're just gorgeous, aren't they? Where'd that baby go? Where'd that other one go? Oh, there he is. There he is, hiding behind that thing. Yeah, Mama got to keep an eye on y'all because you hide. Yeah, see, there he is. They are so precious. I hadn't named them yet. So I named them Jack and Jill. But I decided that I wanted them uh, exotic names. So I'm still looking for the names. My best friend, Lorraine, named them Jack and Jill. And at first I thought that was nice, but now I, I don't think I want to name them that. So I was going to call the white one Snow. The I think that's her right there, yeah. I would call her Snow. And I don't know what I want to call him yet. Snow, and I don't want to call him Pepper. Uh, I don't know whether I want to call her Snow or not. I don't know yet, but if y'all got any ideas, y'all let me know. Until then, they're Jack and Jill. Hi, babies. Yeah, that's a pretty little baby. Yeah, just look at the pretty little baby. I wish I could whistle like that song they do on the videos on YouTube. And they whistle at "Don't worry, be happy," and the birds on there will just stop what they're doing and just listening to it. And I want to learn that so I can let them hear that from Mama. Yeah. Well, where they at now? Can't half see. There they are. I think that. Yeah, there they are. Yeah. Yeah, there he is. That's snow. Well, one white is snow, and the other one has got a blue belly. You can't tell it now, but in that, I don't think. Yeah, you can. But they say the female is there. Her nose is light brown, and the male is dark brown. So there must not. The lady that had them only had them a year, and she didn't know how old they were. So when I got them, Sunday morning, they brought them in Sunday morning. Yeah, and I just love it first sight. Yeah. Y'all like to have your picture taken? Y'all sure are real still now. Yeah, they're so pretty. They got long tails. I like that too. Yeah. Yeah, they're so pretty. I've had uh, parakeets before, but they were always green. The ones that I've seen was always green. But these are white and different colored one. So it's my first of these kind. I don't know whether they have different breeds in them or not, but the green ones I know talk, but I don't know about these. They may talk. I'm going to try to get them to talk, because I'm going to try to train them to talk. They may not, but yeah, I'm going to try to make them talk. Not make them, but try to get them to talk. See how, what are y'all doing? Going to sleep? No wonder they're so still. They're taking a little nap time. I caught them in the wrong time. They are napping. Well, I guess I'd better let y'all go and let them sleep. So we'll try next time and see if they're a little bit better used to me, so we can, so they can play around. They're going to sleep now. All righty then, y'all go to sleep, and I'll talk to you later. All right, fans, I'll see y'all later. Bye.